So what's going on?
We got the water methanol installed. We're gonna unlock the dyno here and start doing some pulls.
Are we gonna make some jam?
We're gonna hopefully make some jam.
We hit 420 wheel and we're gonna go for more. We're still sitting at 11.7 EFR. We're really rich. Timing is still very conservative. So
How much boost?
we're gonna add a little bit, see what happens. 23 pounds, 260 kPa. We're gonna go for a little bit more. Okay, so on this car, we ran the AEM methanol injection kit here. So the controller is just kind of hiding underneath. And we ran their pump, their level sensor. The level sensor is not working. And we also had a V2 nozzle, and that's not working very well as well. So we upgraded to the V3, and that's fantastic. So that's a good start. Pump the trunk here. So if you've followed rotary engines at all, you're probably aware that methanol injection is kind of the essential. If you're not going to run E85, which personally we don't like on a rotary, you know, some of the OGs like Howard Coleman kind of recommended against that, as opposed to running methanol or methanol water 50-50. So that's definitely so far our preference. And so on this car, this thing is already falling apart. Let's just pull this up a little bit so you don't wreck anything. That also is supposed to be a one-piece trim, so that's also wrecked. So on this car we ran the sake bomb. How do you say that? Guys, help me. Sake bomb? I think it's sake bomb. We'll see. We ran their methanol injection kit tank, which is totally discreetly mounted, and I'm a big fan of this setup. So all the lines end up going underneath the car. Got one little harness here that we temporarily have bypassed because the AEM sensor is not doing it for us. And this, I think, is as good as it gets. So that being said, we're gonna run it on everything.
Basically, Sake Bomb should sponsor us.
Well, I don't know if sponsor. You know, everyone's got to make money. You know, and And guys like Sake Bomb, it's not like a massive, like millions of dollars invested kind of company. Like these guys are just like us, right? Like you got a passion for something and you just dig into it and make it happen, you know. So I'm happy to pay Sake Bomb for the parts. You know, they gave us a bit of a dealer discount, and that's great. We appreciate it. So what we'll do is, you know, we'll continue to run their products, right? We'll give you our honest review, and I'm really happy with it so far. Move this forward. Okay. Not tall enough, but we're gonna do it anyway.
Holy, that's nuts. Dude, that's insane. What?
I'm just gonna make sure the hood is
Actually closed?
yeah, it's
Jesus.
an aftermarket hood, so it might just be popping up a little bit. Shows up at Gimli, you're all fucked.
Yeah. Dude, this thing pulls.
It hooks like really well.
Yeah, like that's insane.
It's gonna be a shame if I did a pull just right in front of the shop.
Not at all. Yo, who was that? Who did that?
The boys are cheering.
Blow up?
No!
No, this thing's insane.
I told you, man.
No, that was burnout. That was a burnout with no assistance. That was the clutch.
Alright,
I just dropped it in at 5 and floored it.
I'll take it from here.
Hi, Tegan.
Hi, buddy.
How are you? Are you excited?
Why are these... Is it just me or are these turn signals on?
Yeah, they look like they're on.
That's dope.
Oh, maybe not.
That's dope. Okay, take it.
Alright.
Hold on, I want to know how much methanol is actually in this tank.
Here. All the meth.
What the heck is this seat
Oh, it's like way back here. Oh, you can't even see anything.
Dickens?
Yeah,
There, half.
you got it.
Don't mind if I do?
Yeah. It's not gonna.
We're welding Jeremy's power plant frame because he snapped it.
Oh, hey, Jeremy's motor's back in too. Look at that.
Jeremy's motor's back in and never came up. Or did it? He's on water meth too, so there's why is it not going? Wish you want to fight me.
Now what are you doing?
Tossing in a power plant frame. trying to make it fit.
Don't break this one.
Said you're creating wheels?
No, I'm trading this for one of his wheels.
That's back.